What I do differently if I had to start over? Well, actually, I do. So the number one thing I would do different is definitely educate myself on credit, business credit in particular. I've always been a bootstrapping, cash on delivery, if you build it, they will come type of guy. I remember that commercial since I was a kid, so I just probably told on myself. But anyway, it always resonated with me. And quite frankly, I grew up thinking that credit was for poor people. Boy, did I have life twisted. I didn't have a clue that this whole nation or country was built on credit. But I'll save going down that rabbit hole for a later video. Number two, after educating myself on credit, I would actually implement what I learned and build my credit to at least the 750, 800 range. I would use that credit to increase the value of my business and, keep basically just using it and, paying it off. Number three, I would practice patience with the industry because it's really frustrating dealing with people who barely speak English, who've never even been to America, and actually have a huge stake in the logistics industry in America. Somebody make that make sense for me. But anyway, a lot of foreigners are only in this for the money, and it's quite obvious once you talk to them. Not all of them, but a lot of them. They don't care about you. They don't care about you being rested. They don't care about your if you ate or anything. They just want to know where the load is and will you be on time. If you die, you die. In the process, that's just how it goes. Oh well, right? So that's what the insurance is for. That's what they think. So, needless to say, I cursed out a few of those guys, and I don't really regret it. But I would definitely pick and choose my verbal battles better next time. And if anybody else out there is watching this video, has been in the logistics or a trucking game, let me know in the comments, what I might have missed. And if anything I said resonated with you, be sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.